how to log in into Facebook Messenger. Welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can log in into Facebook Messenger. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the Messenger application in your mobile device. And if you are already logged in with your different account, in order to log in into new account, tap on the menu icon at the bottom right, and then here tap on new profile name, and here tap on add account. Now you will be taken into login page. Here, first of all, you have to enter your phone number or email associated with your account, and under that, type in your correct password. In case if you forgot your password, there is a link provided that says forgot password. Tap on it and follow on-screen instructions to recover your password. Here, if you are done providing your login credential, tap on login button, and if you have entered the correct login credential, you will be logged into your Facebook Messenger account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.